Synchronicity 1123. First of all, I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, friends. Press the bell symbol to know more notifications regarding my new videos. Don't forget to comment if my reading is resonating. If it is not resonated also, please check out my other readings. Please note that these are general readings. They may or may not resonate with all the viewers. I request you all to let me know what type of readings you want next in future. If you want personal reading, please check the description box below for more details. Okay, let's start today's reading. So today's reading will be like when this third party situation will end. Okay, will this third party situation end or when it will end? Okay, we will come to know today. We will get some clarity about that. If you are waiting for your person, you will be asking like when this waiting period will be over. So we will ask angels and get some clarity. So if at all any third party situation is going on in your connection, so you can also see whether your person is choosing you or the third party, and when he'll be coming back, we will know. Okay, so we have 3 piles today. I have 3 lipsticks in my hand. One is Avon black color lipstick. Then I am talking about the outer lid. Okay, so this is golden lipstick. Then this is red lipstick. So whichever pile you are connected with, you can choose that pile. Pile number 1, pile number 2, pile number 3, you can connect with intuitively and select the piles. And if you want more time, you can take your time and connect to the reading. So let's start pile number 1. This beautiful black Avon lipstick. We will see what your person is doing, how is the third party is going on. So we will see what will happen in your future outcome. So this is the current energy, what is happening in the third party situation. And will your person choose you or the third party? Archangel Michael, Archangel Raphael, Archangel Uriel, Archangel Gabriel. Please guide us. Please show us some mercy. Please give us your blessings. Please give us some clarity. Whoever is the viewer, whoever viewing this reading, please give them some clarity. Okay, we'll take 6 cards. Four, 5, 6. Okay. And we will also see what is the bottom of the deck. So storyline is this, Page of Wands. So you are waiting for your person. So your person will communicate. This is the outcome, not outcome actually. This is the overall reading for this reading. Overall energy of this reading is Page of Wands. You are waiting and your person will be communicating with you. This is the storyline of this reading. Let's see. Wow, 2 of Cups, 7 of Swords, 10 of Cups, very nice. The Fool, 2 of Swords, Ace of Cups reverse. Okay, so very nice. All the cards I can see all are very good cards. So this person is maybe your friend or a colleague or a business partner. So you know this person and you might be friends first. Then only you have mutual feelings generated in between both of you. Then you started like having feelings towards each other, but you are not actually expressing the feelings as of now. You are just like friendly manner. You are both are sharing your cups. So you are waiting. Then I can also see here that your person may be water sign, or Cups energy is more. Cups means water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and also your person can be air sign person, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. So your person may be any of this. Then we will see this one. So you are feeling that your person is a player, flirt, then sneaky behavior. This person is getting away, like on and off relationship. Like he will communicate once, he will not communicate. He is actually not fair enough with you. He is not at all opening up with you. He is not telling, he is expressing his feelings clearly. Then you are thinking that this person is playing around. He has many swords in his hand. Maybe he has many options. Then he must be talking to many other people also. So you are very much insecure in this situation, and this person is very good looking, young, and very charming person. Then this is showing that this one is like fulfillment. 10 of cups is a very good card, but this person wants a family with you, and even you want a family with him, because you want to marry, you want commitment, you want children. This card is a very good card in any love reading. Okay, so this card shows that this person also wants the same thing what you are wanting. Both of you want the same thing. Like Fool card, as usual, it says that your person want to take a leap of faith and want to take a risk in this connection, and he wants to move ahead with you. This person is also very daring and very courageous person. He's sometimes he can't see the future. Whatever he wants to get it. That kind of go-getter kind of energy. This person want to move ahead along with you. Like he wants to go ahead with this connection. But the problem here is this is two of swords. This person, as you are feeling that he's a kind of a flirt player, he's not genuine, he's not honest person, he's not expressing his feelings honestly that you are feeling. So this person is also feeling like he's fear of losing you. He's not clear what you are thinking actually. So this person is confused, blindfolded, and very defensive, because maybe you are accusing him that you are flirting with other people, you are like a runner, you are kind of a player, always you do this. So that kind of energy you are showing to him. So this person is feeling fear of losing you. He don't want to lose you. He is feeling like whether I will get this or not. So he is little insecure at this stage, and he wants to communicate with the Page of Wands. He want to communicate with you, he want to clear the things with you. But the next card we got is Ace of Cups. And one more thing, friends, I can't see any third party situation here. Maybe you are feeling like that, but in this first pile, whoever chose this black lipstick, it is not showing any kind of a third party relationship. Whatever you are having problem within yourself. Both of you are having some problem, conflict and misunderstanding, but I can't see any third party relationship here. Okay, then this Ace of Cups reverse. So we will clarify this. Ace of Cups means normally it is love overflowing, like you both love each other, then new beginning will start. Ace will be always a new beginning, new chapter will start. New sometimes it can be a new connection also. Let us see what is this. Okay, this is bottom of the deck, we will keep it here. So let's clarify why this Ace of Cups is reverse. Angels, please tell us why this Ace of Cups is reverse. Please give us some clarity. Please give us some clarity. The Moon. Okay, the Moon and the Nine of Pentacles. Okay, so this person is Ace of Cups is clarifying now. So this person is, the Moon is reversed. He is kind of not able to understand what is happening. Deception. So earlier he must be feeling that you are deceptive behavior. He is not clear what is happening. So the Moon energy is a negative energy, but this is reversed. That meaning he will be able to think properly, and he is able to understand you better. He is feeling that you have everything. So he has this kind of a feeling that you have everything. You are very stable person in your own life. Like you have money, you have beauty, you have education, you have everything. So what else you want? Why will you choose this person? You are happy in your own world. So why you want to come to another world? And even this Moon card also shows that you don't want to change anything right now. So he is feeling that you don't want any change with him. So this is what it is feeling. But definitely I can see that you will have a communication with both of you. You will communicate well. Then you have to, as a viewer, you have to clarify that no, I also want this connection. So sometimes you have to express your feelings properly and clearly. Otherwise this person will be feeling very lost, and this person don't know what to do, fear of losing you. Okay, this person is very like he's not clear what you are thinking. So it looks like I feel like this connection is just now starting. It did not go to the very higher level, because you both are getting to know each other. It is not a very established connection. I can see you both are young, and you are starting just now, and you don't know actually what is happening and all. This person sees you like this nine of pentacles. This person sees you that you are like happy in your own world, and this person is ready to take a leap of faith and risk also in this connection. But the thing is, you have to communicate, and you have to clear whatever is happening. So when this person will clarify, or when this person will, you both will have heart to heart conversation, or when this person will come back, if at all it is, this is not you both are not in communication, not in contact, lockdown. Okay, this coronavirus, so many things are there. So we will see approximately when you will have the clarity, when you will have the heart to heart conversation. So we will see approximate date. Okay, this is 7. Oh, okay, 7. This is again, this person is having lot of option. He don't know what to choose. He is into dark energy. He is also, again, he is not having clear picture of this what is happening. So this is the number is 7. 7 means it can be July number, July month, because even here also it is 7 of swords, 7 of cups. So it can be like 7th month, July month, maybe you both will have heart to heart conversation, and all your misunderstanding might go away, and you both will might meet, okay, together. So it is also showing summer. Summer means it will be definitely in the month of July, you both will meet. So you both will sit, and your all the problems will go away. So I can here see clearly that your person may be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Okay, this if at all this reading is resonating, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, friends. This is what the reading for the pile number 1 people, whoever chose the black nail polish. Okay, we will be seeing all the energies. Okay, I will be doing reading again and again. Energies will change. Apart from major arcanas, other cards, the energies will change. Okay, let us see. Then moving on to pile number 2, which is a golden nail polish. Okay, I want golden nail polish. Let us see what your person is thinking, feeling. If it a third party is there also, he will choose you or the third party when he will come back. So we will see what is happening in your connection. Okay, this third party can be anything, friends. It is not no need to be only the person. It can be like distance, it can be money, it can be job, it can be anything, health. So you no need to feel that third party means it is only the person, girl or a boy, like that. Okay, let us see. Archangels, please help us, please guide us, give us some clarity, give the viewer some clarity. What is happening in their connection? What is happening in their connection? Please give us some clarity. So we will take 6 cards. 3, 4, 6. Okay, 6 cards we got. Then bottom of the deck, 8 of Wands. Again the communication. Even pile 1 also, they got the communication. So communication will be happening in the month of August, maybe. We will see. We will flip the cards and see. The Chariot. Wow, very nice card. High Priestess, all major arcanas, friends. Three of Pentacles, heartbroken. Three of Swords. Oh my God, Five of Wands, Knight of Swords. Okay, here I can see the Swords energy more, but the Chariot shows that your person might be a Cancer person. Okay, this High Priestess, then Three of Pentacles. I can see the Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Earth energy also. I can see little bit, and heartbreak. I can see Three of Swords. Then what else I can see? Did I tell you that swords are there? So your person might be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. So there is a very small percentage they have the Aries, Leo, Sagittarius fire signs, and also the earth sign. Very less people. Okay, strongly your person might be a Cancer person. So let us see what the reading says. So first of all, this is kind of a negative card, like you both have a very something happened between you. Maybe you both hurt each other. You both had a very definite fight between both of you. This is heartbreaking card, heartbroken. So you both are in pain now. Your person is in a very bad condition, heartbroken. So maybe he's healing from that right now. Whatever happened between you, maybe you hurt him, or he did. And here in this pile, I can see a third party situation, and this person is having a problem with the family. Actually, his family is asking him to marry or engage with some other person. Okay, this family is not agreeing for your connection, or this is and this energy, it shows that your relationship is little bit established in the middle of the establishment, like your love relationship, not like pile one. Okay, this one family is asking him or forcing him to do something as per their wish. Okay, and even this person is fighting a lot because many other third party situations are there. Many people are behind him, and these people are influencing his thoughts about you. Maybe they are saying negative things about you. Maybe they are asking him not to talk to you, not to come towards you. Okay, like that they might be asking him like that. Then he is alone, he is fighting with all the things, and he is also confused, like, because this happened between you, heartbroken. Then this person is feeling that, oh, this always this person is like that, hurting me, always accusing me. So this person is also, sometimes he is also getting away, with their feelings, whatever the friends or family, whoever is telling that. So sometimes he is also listening to them and thinking against you. And this High Priestess card, this person is very very intellectual. This person has lot of knowledge, and he might be a professor, lecturer, or a very high position, maybe manager in a big company, or a lawyer. Okay, very very intelligent person, intellectual person, and this person is very well established. Okay, this person is on a very good position right now in the society. So that is the reason many people are behind him. He has so many options to choose, and he wants to like come towards you, but because of this some fight happened between you, this person is very much heartbroken. But definitely he'll contact you, because the wands is fast communication. This person will give you a fast communication. Then even this chariot also is, this is a happy card, happy outcome card actually. So this gives a happy life. Then this also gives the commitment, stability, then marriage. So this card is representing a happy life ahead. So this person is wishing to have a happy life with you. Definitely he is thinking about you, continuously he is thinking. Even Knight of Swords means he want to run and come towards you, because he is in so much passion. Even whenever the Swords energy is there, so much passion towards you. Okay, like he wants to be with you, he wants to like feel you, touch you, like that kind of a passionate relationship. This person is truly attractive towards you, very much attractive towards you. But the problem is, he is not able to decide what to do because of his family, friends, and status also. Maybe he is thinking that what other people will think, what if I choose this person, what the other people will think, what about my social status. maybe he is like a very famous person, maybe all the people are looking at him. Even his family is also saying that some financial things also, like this family also, he need to support the family also. So he is thinking a lot about all these things. So definitely we will, I mean, this person will come to you, but let us see, let's ask cards. So when this third party will end, will the third, oh my god, I no need to ask only, friends, what should I say? Wheel of Fortune. So definitely this person will come back to you and wheel will turn into your favor. And also this person, that Queen of Wands, even the Hermit card came. Hermit card means Virgo energy, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Earth sign. So Hermit means Virgo. So this person will definitely come to you in the month of August, because the fast communication card is there at the bottom of the deck, and Wheel of Fortune is there. Definitely very soon your wheel will turn and it will come to your favor. So definitely this person will leave the third party and come towards you. This is very good reading, friends. Whoever chose the pile number 2 golden lipstick, so this person will definitely come towards you, very fast energy. So again I'm saying this person may be Virgo or Cancer person, very strongly I can see that. Apart from that, he might be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini also. So very nice reading, friends. Definitely this person will contact you. Maybe at the late he will contact in the month of August. Okay. So be positive, be happy. Okay. So if you like this reading, if it is resonated with you, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, friends. Then we will move on to pile number 3, the red lipstick. Whoever chose the red lipstick, this reading is for them. So what is happening in your love connection? Will the third party and who will he choose? Who will your person choose? Cards are jumping, friends. I no need to spread the cards and take it. Already 4 cards came. We need 2 more cards. Let's see. So I no need to spread and take the cards. Cards are jumping. In this, whoever chose the third pile, they are having so much passion and they are they are having so much desire towards each other. Oh, nice, very nice. Okay, the bottom of the card, 9 of cups. Let's see. Okay. So in this pile, I don't see any kind of a third party interference, but I can see some of the financial problems. So this person might be having some problem with finances or no stability in his career. This person's career, no stability. So he is waiting for the stability to attain, then he will come back to you. The star means he must be Aquarius person. He can be Aquarius person. Then he can be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and he can be Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, so he is juggling with both career, money, and you also. So this person is juggling 2 people maybe, but 2 people I can't see here. There is no third party relationship. So I can see that this person is juggling with his finances, his job, and you also. So this person is having so much love, because the star card means it is so much love, then it is a very, very positive card. So he is thinking very high about you. He is having very good feelings for you. Then so much passion is there, because these cards are jumping. Then this person is also having some options also. This person is in a dark energy, what to do, how to, which one to choose. This person is confused. See, all he can see from the behind, and he don't know what to do with them. There's so many options are there. This 7 of cups. So he is a bit of confusion is there. Then this person want to communicate with you. This person, Page of Pentacles means he want to offer some stability. This person is a young and very charming, attractive person. So pages always represents that this person is young and attractive person. See, the second pile, this didn't come. That meaning that person is not so young. Maybe the person is in the 30s or like that it is age. But this in this pile, the person you are dealing with is a young, and he wants to give you some commitment, and he want to offer the financial stability to you. So maybe because of that, this person is not coming towards you. This Queen of Pentacles also, this person is waiting, and this person is want to concentrate on the money right now. He's only, I can see the third party here is money. Okay, so this person is waiting for the money, waiting to get the stability. Then he can come towards you, offer you a stable commitment. See, this is about to, your completion is about to happen. This is Nine of Cups. So this person is waiting for the stability, waiting for the money to come in his hands or her hands, so they can communicate and they can give you some stable offer. This person is also like, he wants all the cups to himself. He wants to have you in their life. This is about to finish. This is 9. So 10 means completion. So this person is about to come to you like this. Anytime he can come, that kind of a position. And then he want to have a family with you. He wants to, maybe this person is your friend also, maybe classmate or a college mate or a colleague. So you know this person well, and you both already have had a date also, I think so. You both had a very nice moments in your life. So this person is reminiscing all the memories of you, and he is thinking about you, and he is always thinking about how nice moments you had, and how much love you had both of you together, how much love you had both of you. Then this person is missing all the things. Then he is thinking about that, but he is concentrating on the money. Let us see when this person will come towards you or contact you. Let us see the time frame when this all the problems will end, when the third party will end. This third party of the job, money, career and all, when this end, and when this person will come back completely towards you. So the completion is ahead, and it will happen. So when it will happen, we will see. We got 2 cards here. So justice, definitely this person will have the, you both will have the justice. Justice is your outcome. So definitely you will have justice in near future. So this, your connection needs justice, because you are facing some like no clarity. You are confused. What is happening in this connection, you don't know. So definitely you will have the justice. Okay. Then justice means also it is Libra person. So star is Aquarius here, then justice Libra is here. So your person might be Aquarius and Libra, then your person might be definitely Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. And this King of Pentacles also, this person is completely into the finance and money. He is thinking about that. But it can also say that this person, whatever the romantic feelings he is having right now, they may slowly reduce, or they may vanish if you don't take any action, if you don't talk to him, if you don't express your feelings. So this person will definitely come towards you. So justice card came, means he will come around like it is Libra season, he will come. So in the month of September or October he will come. Okay, this person will come back to you. Then also Pentacles is little slow moving energy. That is the reason it will take up to September or October. Libra season, this person will come back to you, and he will explain what is happening with him. Then he will offer the cup of love, and you will have the completion. Okay, don't worry friends, this person definitely loves you a lot. He has a star, you have the star card. So only one card is not so good card, but definitely he will come back to you, and he will offer the cup of love. He is missing you a lot. Okay, so all the best friends. If you like this reading, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and also see this pile. Then there are no reverse cards. That means it is a very good sign for you. So all the things are going in your favor only. Okay, please like, share and subscribe to